Okay, Trent's gonna go for it. Hold on, hold that pepper.
Hot pepper.
Oh yeah, that's the goat. One of my goats. That's fixing to hurt him. Oh yeah, hold on, right there. Woo-wee.
It looks angry.
Yeah, it's an angry pepper. It's fixing to hurt him.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whole thing. What the hell are you doing? Hold it up there. Okay.
5, 4.
Yeah, it's sweet and juicy and yummy. And then when you swallow it, all hell breaks loose. You just literally swallowed the devil's nut.
I think it's water to get all the chunks down.
Yeah, you can take a sip, yeah. Yeah, you can take a sip of water to get it down. That you can do.
Oh my god.
Imagine doing that when you was, what was it, 8, when you tried it at the mall and cried.
Well, that was the second to mention the hottest pepper. Or those pepper hot.
You
Dude, it's hot.
Dad.
Stop. Hot, son.
No, you both ran towards the thing.
How is it?
It's hot.
I don't think you got one of the hot ones. Your eyes ain't watering.
I never do.
Yeah, dude, if you got one of the hot ones, I don't think that one was mature yet.
Can we go pick another? You okay? No. Well, you know what?
How long do I have to go without eating?
As long as you can.
How long has it been?
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Really?
Or 2 minutes.
You take a sip of milk?
No. I mean, if you need to, I don't care. If it's hurting you that bad. Just don't ask to go to the ER like the last sucker. Yeah, I was kind of worried about him.
I hate the whole thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to go 5 minutes. It's making my lips numb.
Lips numb. It's making my lips numb, man.
Oh, spit. My teeth are tingling.
You alright? You okay? Nah, you didn't get one of the hot ones, dude. No, because your eyes would be bloodshot red and watery. Yeah, that was one of the little ones. I don't think it was
It's so
hot.
hot.
Yeah, it wasn't full potency like the ones that's green.
I got you some more.
That one was hotter than the one I had.
The other day.
Do you want some of these ghost pepper Chex Mix?
Oh my god.
They're freaking intense, man.
It's my whole mouth. I chewed it in the middle of my mouth. I think my stomach hurt.
Go ahead and chug that milk. Put some milk on it
I
in your
got some more
stomach.
milk for you. Yes.
Just put it on your stomach with it. They're intense peppers.
It's insane.
4 minutes, 18 seconds. So basically you made it 4 minutes.
Oh my god. My nose won't stop running. I feel like it's bleeding out. It's not.
Can I give him some of these?
No, honey, you don't want nothing else hot.
But it's not really that hot. I mean,
Yeah, they are hot. His mouth's already on fire, Chloe.
can I just show the people?
I don't care.
I want him to eat these ghost pepper
Ghost
Chex
pepper
Mix.
Chex Mix. They're
They're delicious.
hot. They're delicious. but they're hot.
If you keep eating, they're hot. But I like eating
It
ones.
tasted good. That's the thing.
The pepper?
I wanted to taste.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got a delicious flavor to them. But then all of a sudden, it's like the devil just shoves his
Bites
big
you.
toe in your mouth, and it's on fire.
What's that? Milk?
More milk.
Yeah. I told you, I got you some more.
They're still chunky.
Frozen. If you change your mind about the Chex Mix, they're right here.
It's hot.
If you guys have never tried one of them in the freezer, it's delicious.
You know, before they came out with the
Right?
Reese's,
You hurting?
No, it's hot.
you ate the wrapper.
But you got 2 more there.
Yellow veins.
Yeah, at about 5 minutes, it's peaked.
Are the chips even crunchy?
I'm not worried about it.
Let me reach in it.
I'm here for you to grab if you love it.
The more you eat like the Doritos, it's going to absorb that oil. That'll make it go away quicker.
Go get a piece of that bread.
Yeah, go get it.
I don't think anybody can do one like I do and wait 10 minutes. Not too many people can.
It's like my face is tingling all through here.
Yeah,
And my like.
they're freaking deadly ass peppers, bro.
Oh, you.
Looks like cornbread.
You dropped a piece.
There's another piece of the tail right there too. Try to get
It's right
it.
here.
I don't want to feed the ants.
Ew.
It was on the plate.
It's okay.
That is some good bread, though. It's doughy and it's delicious.
Thank you.
It's doughy. All bread's doughy, Goopy.
Not as doughy as that. It's deliciously doughy.
Oh, man.
Some of these Madison
720.
crackers.
It's not near as hot as it was now.
Yeah, it's because you're eating.
That's because you're eating these Doritos. They help. Want a Dorito?
They're really good with food.
Yeah.
Not eating them first and then food. I mean, if you used to eat it with food, man, it's really good. What you got to say?
Would you again? That's good.
Would you again?
No, I know. Probably not this week.
Bud, will you give me a glass of milk later in there?
Sure. Give me one of those glasses that we already used, like the glass one. Yeah, hand me that one.
You alright? I won't end it then.
It's okay now.
That's because you're eating.
It was good. It was good to eat. It was very flavorful.
Yeah, they're delicious peppers, but boy, they got a kick. Anyways, please guys, like and subscribe. That's my son.
I love you, Kaylee.